Hello friends, welcome back on this channel. Today we are going to create this part in Solidworks according to this drawing. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. Open a new part in Solidworks. Okay, select from here top plane, open sketch. Okay, select center rectangle. Let's define this one, smart dimension. Here we have 65 millimeters and here we have 50 millimeters. Okay, nice. Now select center point arc, select midpoint. Okay, trim entities, delete this line, say yes. As you can see, the sketch is not fully defined, so press shift key, select this center point and the origin point and make them horizontal. Okay, and say here 25 millimeters. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Select circle, smart dimension, the diameter will be 30 millimeters. Okay, say yes. Go to features, extruded boss base. Okay, here we have here 15, here 25. The thickness will be 25 millimeters. Okay, let me choose chrome plate and plain white. Okay, select this face, sketch, take center rectangle. Okay, smart dimension, here we have 40 millimeters and 60 millimeters, 16. Let me check 40 and 16, and here we have 25 millimeters. Okay, okay, go to features, extruded cut, and select from here this line. It goes up to this surface. Say yes. Okay, select this face, sketch, take line, start from this point. Okay, you can mirror this one or you can create another one. Okay, select this circle and this arc and select convert entities. Okay, now select trim entities, delete this one, and this one. Say yes. Go to features, extruded cut. The thickness will be 8 millimeters. Say yes. Okay, now select this face, sketch. Select center, select corner rectangle. Okay, smart dimension. This is for 40 millimeters, and this one is for 25 millimeters. Okay, press shift button, select this midpoint and the origin point and make them vertical. Say yes. Okay, now take line. Okay, trim entities, delete this one. Okay, smart dimension. This one is for 14 millimeters. Okay, here we have 24 millimeters. Okay, here we have 8 millimeters, and here we have 13 millimeters. Okay, and here we have 15 millimeters. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. So go to features, extruded voice base. From here select reverse direction. Okay, and the thickness will be 25 millimeters. Say yes. Okay, that's it for today. I hope to see you at my next video, and I hope to like, share, subscribe this channel.